Welcome to Fix It Design, where we bring you the latest trends and timeless ideas to transform your home into a stylish sanctuary. If you're planning to update your kitchen this year, there's no better way to start than with a fresh and modern color scheme. In this video, we'll walk you through 40 perfect kitchen color combos that are trending in 2025. From bold contrasts to soft naturals, these color pairings are guaranteed to refresh your space and spark your creativity. Let's start with a timeless favorite, navy blue and crisp white. This classic combination never goes out of style. Navy adds depth and elegance, while white balances it with a clean, fresh look. Together, they create a sophisticated space that works well in both traditional and modern kitchens. Add brass hardware and marble countertops, and you've got a kitchen that feels both grounded and luxurious. Moving on to a warmer, earthier palette, sage green and cream. Sage has become a go-to shade for creating a calming, nature-inspired atmosphere. Paired with creamy tones, this combo brings in a soft warmth that feels welcoming and peaceful. It's especially perfect for farmhouse-style kitchens or homes that embrace biophilic design. Another bold yet cozy favorite is charcoal and wood tones. This pairing offers a beautiful balance between modern minimalism and organic charm. Charcoal cabinetry adds drama and sophistication, while light to medium wood finishes soften the overall feel. It's a great option for contemporary kitchens that still want to feel warm and lived in. If you're drawn to Mediterranean vibes, consider terracotta and white. Terracotta brings warmth, color, and character, while white keeps the look grounded and fresh. This combo is perfect for those who love artisanal accents, open shelving, and plenty of natural light. For a more glamorous and high-contrast look, try black and gold. This luxurious pairing creates a striking visual impact. Matte black cabinets paired with brushed gold fixtures exude opulence without going over the top. To keep the space from feeling too dark, add white countertops or a glossy backsplash to reflect light. Next up, dusty blue and warm beige offers a soft and sophisticated look. This muted combination is great for cottage-style kitchens or spaces where you want a sense of serenity. The blue adds coolness and color, while beige keeps things neutral and versatile. A more dramatic option is olive green and matte black. Olive green brings earthy richness and a touch of sophistication, especially when used on cabinetry. When paired with matte black accents, it creates a grounded, bold aesthetic that's both stylish and nature-inspired. For fans of Scandinavian design, white and light wood is a must-try. This minimalist combination feels airy, bright, and effortlessly modern. It's especially ideal for small kitchens where you want to create a sense of openness and calm. Looking for something truly unique? Deep plum and ivory might be your match. Deep plum adds drama and artistic flair, while ivory tones down the intensity and brings light into the space. This combo is rich, cozy, and perfect for moody, expressive interiors. Another fresh choice is aqua and charcoal. Aqua adds a pop of brightness and energy, while charcoal grounds the palette with a sleek, modern vibe. This pairing works well in coastal-themed kitchens or homes with a modern edge. Let's talk about more combos that are quick to implement and make a big impact. White and navy with gold accents creates a crisp, elegant atmosphere. Blush pink and gray brings in softness and romance without being too feminine. Mustard yellow and teal gives you a retro, energetic vibe, ideal for bold personalities. Walnut wood and matte white offer a clean and natural finish that's easy to maintain and beautifully timeless. Forest green with brass is a luxe pairing that instantly elevates any kitchen, while soft peach and cream keep things light, cheerful, and welcoming. Graphite gray and oak are perfect for industrial modern looks, while soft blue and stone gray offer a cool, calming presence. Coral and dove white bring energy and freshness, and steel blue with taupe balances color with subtlety. Now, let's explore some rising stars. Pale mint and gray feel clean and refreshing, ideal for spring and summer-inspired kitchens. Eggplant purple and beige is a rich yet mellow pairing that feels creative and cozy. Soft lavender and off-white is delicate and charming, great for small kitchens looking to feel a little whimsical. Cobalt blue and concrete create a striking, urban modern style. Rustic red and tan add warmth and depth to farmhouse kitchens. Moss green and natural oak are perfect for earthy interiors, while pewter and white feel refined and minimal. Light gray with buttermilk gives you a subtle contrast that still feels soft and airy. Coral and creamy yellow is cheerful and unique, a combo that makes your kitchen feel sunny even on cloudy days. Ash blue and driftwood deliver a calm, coastal feel that's easy on the eyes and relaxing. To wrap up, here are some of the boldest color combinations you'll see in designer kitchens this year. Champagne and black feels elegant and formal. Soft teal and ivory are light and breezy, while clay and denim blue offer an earthy meets urban vibe. Bamboo and warm gray feel natural and contemporary, while dusty rose and white add a subtle romantic touch. Burnt orange and mocha provide warmth and richness, especially in fall-inspired spaces. Cloud white and charcoal keep things neutral but with contrast. Pistachio and cream are soft and organic, while stone blue and copper give you a rustic yet luxurious feel. And finally, matte black and blush is an unexpected, edgy meets feminine combo that's modern and refined. And that's it. These 40 kitchen color combinations are perfect for breathing new life into your space in 2025. Whether you're renovating from scratch or just refreshing your cabinet paint or walls, these ideas will help you create a kitchen that feels both stylish and personal. Let us know in the comments which color combo is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more home decor trends every week. Thanks for watching Fix It Design, where your dream home starts with the right ideas.